Hello and welcome to Chemistry Nuggets, where you can polish your knowledge and clear those. Friends, today's video is question number 2.57 from NCERT textbook class 11 and the chapter name is Structure of Atom. So let's check the question. Dual behavior of matter proposed by de Broglie led to the discovery of electron microscope, often used for the highly magnified images of biological molecule and other type of material. If the velocity of the electron in this microscope is 1.6 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second, calculate de Broglie wavelength associated with this electron. Now friends, as we can see, the question looks very big, but actually it is very small question. How? The first statement which is given, that is not the part of the question, it is just a knowledge based statement. The question actually is find the velocity of the electron microscope. Sorry, not find the velocity, if the velocity. So velocity is given, calculate the de Broglie's wavelength. So we have given the velocity and we need to find the wavelength. Now first we write whatever is given. So it is velocity V is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second is given. Now wavelength, which is denoted by lambda, it is not known and we need to find wavelength. Now for de Broglie's wavelength, we need to write the de Broglie's equation for wavelength. So de Broglie equation for wavelength is equal to h upon mv, where h is a Planck's constant, m is a mass of an electron which is a fixed value again, and v is the velocity which is given. Now if we put the values in this equation, we will easily find our answer. So let's start. So here lambda is equal to h is 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. This is Planck's constant. Now m is mass of the electron, it is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg into velocity, which is 1.6 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second. Now if we calculate this equation, we will have our answer. So how to start? First we can see, we can do division. This is 0.8 and this we with the 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 was a 2, 2 3s are 6 and decimal is here. Now this we did simplified. Now next step will be multiplication of 9.1 with 0.8. So rest of the things we can write 3.313 into 10 to the power minus 34 divided by 9.1 into 0.8 into 10 to the power minus 31 into 10 to the power 6. We can write like this. Now let's come up to next part. Here 3.313 into 10 to the power minus 34, which is already given, there is no change. Here 9.1 multiplied by 0.8, the answer will come 7.28 into 10 to the power minus 31, which is already there, and 10 to the power 6, same we wrote. Now we need to divide 3.313 with the 7.28. It seemed difficult, so make it easy. What we'll do, we shift the decimal. So from here to here, we'll shift the decimal. What will happen? The number will become 3313 into 10 to the power minus 34 is already there. 3-step shifting and rightward shifting. It means minus 3 will be added to the minus 34. So minus 3 plus minus 34, it become minus 37. Now in the same way we'll do for the denominator side. 7 to 8 will make. It means shifting right side 2-step. Right shifting 2-step means minus charge and 2-step means 2. minus 2 will be added into 10 to the power. Now minus 31 and minus 2, it become minus 33 into 10 to the power 6, which is already there. Now this change happened. Now it's easy to divide 3313 from 7 to 8. Let's see what will be the answer here. After doing division, we'll get our answer 4.55. Now into 10 to the power minus 37 into 10 to the power 33 into 10 to the power minus 6 we can write. All the power from the denominator side will go up and become the reciprocal. Means minus 33 become plus 33 and 6, that is plus 6, become minus 6. Now we will adjust the power. Let's see. So we got lambda is equal to 4.55 into 10 to the power minus 37 into 10 to the power plus 33 into 10 to the power minus 6. So first we add the same signs like minus 37 and minus 6. 37 plus 6, it become 43. 43, which is minus sign. Now minus 43 and now left is plus 33. So opposite side, it means subtraction will happen. It will become 10 and the sign will be minus. So here we will get lambda is equal to 4.55 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. And we knew that 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. So we can write this in terms of angstrom. It will be 4.55 angstrom. This also will be our answer. Or one more thing we can do, if lambda is equal to 4.55 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter, then we can shift the decimal 455 into 10 to the power, it will come minus 12 meter. And we knew that 1 picometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 12 meter. So we can write here 455 picometer. This is also one of the answer. So it is up to you which unit you want to use in terms of picometer, in terms of angstrom, or in terms of meter. All three answers are same and correct. So guys, hope you guys like this video. I gave all the calculation steps, how to manage the calculations, how to manage the powers. So friends, do like, share and subscribe the channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Till then, thank you.